So now, the birds of the air, sabi arends, once, yung we saw a bird, nakalimutan ko nga nung kind, building a nest in top of a juniper tree. So at 7 o'clock they started, at 7 a.m. and then at 7, and then with her mate singing, nag-bring siya ng mga leaves from the tree, then rinroll niya sa parang fork yata, parang branch. I understand it na mabilis ako eh. Kasi madali. So now, the mate singing on her mate singing on a branch close by singing to her. So now at 7 p.m. in the evening, at 7 o'clock in the evening, they stopped, and then for another day, they worked again, and for 7 days, they worked until there was a ball na in the nest, tapos with a hole. So now, yung mga sabi niya, point out and examine nest. Yung makita ko lang, yung alam ko lang, yung roughly woven, yung house sparrow, meron sa Kalamansi dyan.
How would you describe it?
Parang mga sticks, renewal, tapos parang wala akong butas nakita, baka sa taas. Tapos abandon na siya kasi wala na mga maya pula. Dati may mga maya pula pa na mga ang ganda ng color niya talaga, yung mga maya pula red. I hope they come back again. Minsan konting brown, baka female or male yung konting brown. I don't know. Kasi nasa grass sila dati sa Subic nung bumili tayo ng Nike. Ng Nike. Tapos, ng Nike na damit. Ang bag mo na visible yan.
Transparent.
Yes, transparent. Yun.
Okay.